Welcome back to the Building from Scratch series. My name's Dave. I'm a web designer and digital marketer, and I'm starting my own home service business and documenting the process along the way. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about client acquisition. If you start a business, this is probably one of the most important topics because you could put all of your time and effort into building a business, but if you don't have clients, you're not going to stay in business very long. So let's talk about the customer channels. We're going to talk about where are we going to get the traffic from that comes to our website and to our Google Business Profile. And also we're going to find out how to get in front of our ideal customers. Now, this is just my opinion. This is what we're going to be doing. There's many options when it comes to advertising and marketing, but I wanted to share with you what we are planning on doing at Hometown House Cleaning. So there are two types of traffic. We've got organic traffic, which doesn't cost anything, but takes a little bit longer to build. And then we have paid traffic. We're putting money out to get Google or another advertising or marketing channel to put us in front of customers when they're searching for our service. Okay. So let's talk about what we're going to do with organic marketing and the organic traffic. Number one, we're going to claim and optimize our Google Business Profile so that we can start showing up in Google's map pack. Let me show you what that looks like. So I did a quick search, house cleaning near me, and at the top, you're going to see a couple Google local service ads, and then this is where we want to land. These are Google Business Profiles. There's typically 3 here. This one is an ad. You can see it says sponsored, but we want to get our Google Business Profile to land right up here in the map pack. And eventually we want to get our website to land in the top position at the directly underneath the map pack. This is called the organic search results. Okay, now a little side note. I hear a lot of business owners. I talk to a lot of them, and they see something like this, like Angie's List, and they think, how in the world am I, my little home service business or my local business, how am I going to outrank a company like Angie's List? Well, dirty little secret is Angie's List and your business have one distinct difference, and you have a huge advantage over them. And the reason you have a huge advantage is you're a local business. You actually work with customers in your local area. Angie's List is a website. They're a national brand. So when you see Yelp and Angie's List and Home Advisor and Thumbtack up here in the top position, the only reason why Google's putting them there is because your website or the local businesses in the area, they haven't optimized their website for local SEO and local searches. So they've got to put somebody here. So they're going to go back to the Angies and the Home Advisors. So don't be worried if you see a big company like this, a national brand here. It's very easy. Once you get going and you start building out the local SEO on your website, it's very easy to outrank these bigger companies. That's what we're going to be focusing on for the organic traffic, is getting our Google Business Profile into the map pack and getting our website to show up on the first page. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time, right? For the local SEO, the things that we're going to be doing on the website, I'm going to be documenting that as I'm building out the site, but we're also going to be doing things off of the website. And those off-page SEO tactics and strategies we're going to use are building backlinks to the website, having monthly press releases go out, and building out citations. Now, a citation is really just any mention of your business on the internet. It's typically your business name, address, phone number, and website. If you think about it, the Google Business Profile, that is the ultimate citation. I think that's the best one, but we're going to focus on about 40 to 60 citations. That's going to be Yelp, Thumbtack. I'm going to get into that in another video, but that's what we're going to be focusing on. Now, with organic traffic, I want you to think marathon. This is like a marathon. It's not over quickly. We don't flip a switch and all of a sudden we get all this organic traffic and we land in the map pack. It takes time. So we have to do things initially to get the phone ringing, and that's where the paid traffic comes from. So let's look at what we're going to be doing for paid traffic. I'm going to be running Google ads, and I'm going to be running pay-per-click ads. So we are charged every time someone clicks on the ad. Whereas what we saw up here, these are called Google local service ads. We're not going to do this initially. We're going to go with the pay-per-click first. Then the next thing we're going to do is for paid traffic is direct mail. Now I know when you hear the words direct mail, you think to yourself, oh, you're going to basically spam someone's mailbox instead of their inbox. That's not necessarily what we're going to do. There's a lot of junk mail that comes out, but typically that direct mail that you get in your mailbox are from national brands. Somebody trying to sell, some big company selling you life insurance, or to try to switch to a different car insurance provider, something like that, where what we're going to be doing is more tailored to a local audience. And let me show you what this looks like. Now, I have a website called Chester County Local, and it's a free website where I highlight and feature local businesses that serve the residents of Chester County, Pennsylvania. And I've got about 60 or 70 businesses on here in all different categories. And when I was talking to these business owners and interviewing them before I created a featured listing for them, I realized that a lot of them struggled to get in front of their ideal customer, but they didn't have a huge marketing budget to be able to spend on Google ads and Facebook ads and things like that. So I came up with this. This is called cooperative marketing. I didn't come up with the concept. I just came up with the Chester County Local Spotlight. And what it is, it's a pretty large postcard. It's 9 inches by 12 inches, and it has between 12 and 16 businesses on it. Each of these businesses is exclusive, meaning there are no competing businesses. If I have one car wash on this card, there's no other car washes. What's nice about this is each of those businesses, if they were to send out this large size postcard to 5,000 homes, it would cost thousands and thousands of dollars, over $5,000 to do that. Whereas we're sharing the marketing costs by having 12 to 16 businesses on here. It's only costing hundreds of dollars. So what we're going to do with Hometown House Cleaning is we're going to do a double ad like this. And we're going to be the only cleaning company on this postcard. But there's going to be other businesses as well. And this works really well because people don't look at this so much as junk mail because they recognize some of these businesses. These are local businesses to them. And typically each business puts some sort of really good offer on the card so that it encourages customers to reach out. Now, I have a sample here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on the, but these are high quality postcards. It's hot 14 stock and it's glossy. It's really, really nice. And so what we're going to be doing is planning on sending out, we're going to be part of the Chester County Local Spotlight, and we're going to do a double ad. And that's how we're going to get in front of specific neighborhoods and specific customers. Now, the nice thing with direct mail, with this type of direct mail, is if I were to run Google ads or to run a radio ad or put a billboard out, not every single person is going to see that. Whereas with direct mail, those 5,000 households, every single one of them is going to see my ad. Now, they might not be interested in the service I'm offering, but they're at least going to see it. And over time, they say that the average customer needs 7 touch points with a business before they're ready to trust you enough to do business with you. So we're just going to do this over time. We're going to focus on the Google ads. That's going to give us a quick win. And we're going to invest in the direct mail over time. And I'm sure we're going to get business from this. I will document that as we go along. So what's next? So the next video, what we're going to do is my business partner and I, we're going to finalize the logo. We're going to share that with you. And you're going to start seeing me build out the website. So I look forward to taking you on this journey with me. I'll see you in the next video.